Hello guys, today, before I start the video, I would like to say, I got a new camera. I may cough, I may sniffle during the video, just don't mind me. It's kind of hard to do it by myself because my friends are not around this time. I used to be doing it on this camera, my phone. But what the heck, I got a new camera. This is a different type of, it's like kind of a phone, but it doesn't work. It's just a camera, so it's still good enough, not trash. It's a nice camera. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Ready? Now, I'm bored. Nothing to do. Chef Pee-Pee! Chef Pee-Pee! Oh, Chef Pee-Pee! What, Junior? I had nothing to do. Why is that my problem? Because you're Chef Pee-Pee. How's your playing music again? Or your uncle? Uncle Joe. Yeah. Whatever. So, why are you bored? I have nothing to do. Go play with the stupid Thomas train. Remember that burned? Oh, yeah. Do you want to play with my train? Your train's probably sucky, but let's see it. Okay. Here it is. That looks like trash. No, it doesn't. It's my blue train, like Thomas, but dark blue. A little bit yellow and black. And piece of gray. Whatever. You have fun. Oh, this is trash. Oh, Bell. It sucks. I don't want it. I'll call it Butt Kiss. Yeah, Butt Kiss. I'm gonna invite my friends over. Actually, before I invite my friends over, let's do water bottle flips. Okay, some water bottle flips. Oh, I suck. Oh, yeah! Savage level 101. Heck yeah. I'm insanely good. Holy cow. I'm so good. This is crazy. I'm better than Creeper. Messed up. Whatever. That's enough for bottle flipping. I'll invite my friends over. Why'd you invite me over, dude? I'm looking for the blue train! What blue train? It's on the news. On the news? Yeah, it's on the news. Look it up. Okay. Hi, guys. Oh, my God. Hi. That's a blue train. It has a yellow on it, and some green, and some black. There's only 3 in the world, and it's worth 4,000 gazillion billion dollars. That's even a number. Well, if you have it, you can turn it in and get all that money. You'll be richer than Donald Trump. need to get it. Is that it over there? I'm going to get it. Dude, about to be richer than Donald Trump. Okay. Wait. But that's my train. No, it's not. It's mine. No, it's mine. Mine. Move it, fatties. It's mine. Oh, all that money. Ready, set. I can't wait. Newsflash, I'm telling you. Is that what it's called, newsflash? I don't know. But I'm telling you right now, it does not cost anything. It costs $15 on eBay. If someone's stupid enough to buy it. So yeah, it's not worth any of that money. Oh, shit. Hey guys, it's Ian. That took so long to make. Like, you don't know how long that took. I'm so happy that finally got done. Like, I probably started about 3 o'clock. What time is it now? I probably started about 4. And look what time it is now. Look, let me take this. I need a... It is 4:24, by the way. See, 4:24. Holy guacamole. That took a while. I'm not like Super Mario Logan. They're just like, it'll take an hour to make this video. Who gives a hoodie? Who gives a hoodie? I am like, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you like that video, I will make more. Bye.